HipKit friends, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the April 2023 HipKits. For today's Mixed Media Monday, I got the assignment to scraplift another design team member, and I decided to scraplift this gorgeous layout created by Miss Carrie. First I cut the January 2023 line texture metal die 2 times from white cardstock. Then I cut 2 floral clusters from the HipKit Club exclusive Hip and Humble Vintage Bouquet paper using the coordinating metal die which is included in the October 2022 color kit. Now I fussy cut more flowers and leaves from this paper. Cut off a strip from white cardstock and apply a layer of modeling paste using the stencil which is included in the April color kit. When the paste is dry, I place this paper strip on my layout and bag it with a piece of the Hip and Humble handmade paper. Then I stamp on my cardstock using the April 2023 newsprint texture stamp. inspire my photos with the line texture die cuts. I add 2 tags, one from the Hip and Humble ephemera pack, which is included in the April main kit, and another from the April Pocket Life kit. I tuck them behind my photos and add some twine. Now I choose some of the floral ephemera, which you can find in the April embellishment kit. Then I add the die cuts and the fussy cut flowers. To add more stamped elements to my background. Therefore, I use the mini postage texture stamp. This stamp is also included in the April embellishment kit. Then I cut 2 more line texture die cuts. I place one behind my photos and cut the other one in 2 pieces. Place these pieces beside the stamped images on top and bottom of my layout and add some fussy cut flowers. I also cut off a bit of the mixed media paper strip and the handsome handmade paper on both ends. Then I continue embellishing the page with more die cuts from the ephemera pack and 2 of the clear stickers which are included in the April embellishment kit. I glue these butterfly stickers on the handmade paper and cut them out. Then I pierce holes and stitch the butterfly trails. I cut out my title using the February You Amazing metal die. I cut it 2 times, one from white cardstock and one from the handmade paper, and layer them. Now I add a mini puffy phrase sticker and some puffy dot stickers. The puffy stickers are included in the April embellishment kit. Add some Nuvo drops to the center of the flowers. You can find the Nuvo drops in the April color kit. Finally, I complete my title using the Sunshine and Mango mini puffy alphabet stickers, which are included in the April Pocket Life kit. This is the finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.